Thank you very much, guys. We appreciate a lot. We have just reached for 10,000 subscribers. What to say? We are very, very grateful for all of your followers, also in Instagram. And keep following us. We keep posting for new content. New videos is gonna come out. We are very thankful.
Kulish buni pi baro bagi layo pediang kajing iet kajing kersan jom pi bagi layo lak bani pediang sepong aja ki subscriber habdeng jom shibnai. But ngidang ay comment, but pidang ay kersan ini, but pidang ay iet ini kumbe, bagi dang iyo pediang but bagi dang lak bagi kiu kawish kuih ban. Kajing tumo kajing ni om tang bangin entertain me pi mo, handa kajing tumo kajing ni kadai bangin sapriang kajing iet bagi kajing tili habdeng bagi longkum kawai. Om ingin betul lau di dekat no kasih no pare. Kan ingin long kawai, ingin iit ingin teli. Tak kata kublai shibun.
Kublai Shibun. And one more thing. Yero try.
Yes,
Because without God we cannot do anything.
yes, absolutely.
We got the cake.
Yes, let's cut the cake.
Let's cut the cake. Let's do something crazy, nah?
Yes.
Wow!